Step 1. Study. We need to study to observe the patterns, which it has to be precise, straight to the point, and easy to understand. Okay, now we transcend. What's gonna be the theme, the concept, and the vibes of our comic?
俺はあらゆる格闘技を身につけ、最後に覚えたのがこれだ。Step 3. Outline. The format of my work is going to be left, right, up, down as usual. Normally, I just start drawing right away because I don't want to waste my time on sketching, and that's why my art still looks like shit. In case any of you have missed it, the main concept of my work is going to be about the ghost in my room, which plays a crucial role upon my simping fantasy experience in general, so I need to pay more attention to the character design on this one.
Did it for me. I liked it.
Anyway, when it comes to the references, I normally use the free picture sites so I can avoid all the copyright violations, which normally I use Unsplash. It's pretty easy to use and it's free. You can use any other site as well, since it's not sponsored. It's pretty much the same. But the thing is that there are always limitations when it comes to these websites, like when you're looking for specific positions or postures, it's not going to be there and it's going to take you a while to look for it. My solution to reduce those limitations is to use myself as a reference. It's fast. It's gonna be a bit cringy at first, but yeah, it'll definitely save you a lot of time. Another thing is save your time to draw something you're familiar with. In this case, I draw my original character. This will reduce the time and the thinking process on the character design in general. If you want to practice character design, you can do so if you have some spare time, but if you don't have much time yet still want to draw something like me, I'll say that I find this method quite effective to me, since practice is practice anyway, doesn't matter what you draw. I usually cross-hatch the entire drawing as my way of shading, since it's a part of my art style at this point, so it might not be relevant to other art style. This process took me the longest to finish, so I thought the smartest and fastest way is to do it all at once, so the workflow will help fasten the speed. I didn't think too much about the gender of the ghost. It could be anything, but damn, with those juicy blood and the slightly wavy hair, I definitely would. My art style has shit tons of line work. I think it's alright not to color it sometimes. I don't think I've mentioned it before, but I'm currently struggling through grad school, living multiple lives at the moment, so whenever I feel like I don't have much time to spend on my artistic arc, I usually go with black and white just to spare me some time to sleep, Step 5. Background. Since it's a 4-panel comic, I don't want to go too peak fiction with the background that it overshadows my characters and dialogues. The fastest way to do it without making it look too crappy is to use a solid colors or gradient, which there are lots of variations you can play around with. You can do like bottom up, top down, whatsoever. I think it's fast, effective, and efficient in terms of bringing the piece together. And here's the final result. Lastly, I don't want to tell you just trust the process, it will be fine, That's too cliche, even though it's partially true, because I understand how it feels when the result doesn't match what you had in mind. But what I've learned so far is no matter how shitty you think your art looks, it'll get better over time. And the effort you put into your work will never go to waste, since that will be a part of your artistic journey as a process of improvements anyway. The more you do it, the better you'll get. It's just how it works. And don't be too hard on yourself. Just don't put too much pressure on yourself that everything needs to be perfect, since nothing in this world is perfect anyway. I'm low-key telling this to myself as well, so I'm still working on it too, but yeah. If you find this useful, if you like my videos, please subscribe and like.
Can't believe I'm saying this, Jesus. But yeah. Stay unhinged.